Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Mazda CX-9 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. So it's just your regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So to prep it, all I'm doing is applying Slip Solution to the headlight, and with the clean microfiber towel, go all around the headlight and make sure you start removing any contaminants that the headlight might have. So to start with the installation, I'll apply Slip Solution onto the headlight lens and Slip Solution onto the tint and place the film. And the first thing we're going to do is align it to this edge first. So align it there. Make sure it's aligned following the design of the headlight, and the line on the bottom as well. And on top, once we have it aligned, lift the film carefully and start applying Tack Solution on the film and on the headlight. Make sure it's still aligned, hold it in position, and lightly start squeegeeing it down in place. So we're just doing a light pass first. That way the adhesive activates, and once the adhesive has activated, we can start tagging it down with more force. Okay, now that we have this section tacked down, all we need to do is just a light stretch to reach the film up to this edge here. So stretch the film and make sure as you're stretching, this section of the headlight is aligned too. So stretch the film, that should look good there. Hold it in position, lift the film and apply Tack Solution. Hold it in place and start tagging it down. And now to get rid of any fingers that are coming up on the top or the bottom, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution. Squeegee them down as much as you can, and then with a little bit of heat, it should all go away. So squeegee to place them down. And now Tack Solution again, and with heat, and it should be good. You just rinse and repeat until we bring all the fingers down. Okay, and once you finish removing all of the fingers from the middle section, the last thing to do is post heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it sticks better to the headlight. So to post heat, just apply Tack Solution all around the film. And with your heat gun, squeegee, and microfiber towel, start post heating all around to help remove any solution and also help it tack down better. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2021 Mazda CX-9. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.